Shiba Inu right now is preparing for its biggest breakout yet. In fact, we have something playing out in the charts that everybody needs to be aware of. And this is all taking place at just the right time. I'm Lockside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So when we're looking at this Shiba Inu chart, we have a very important structure that's playing out. In fact, we are now in an ascending triangle, whether that's this lower branch here, whether that's this top trend. You guys can see that we are slowly but surely working those bottoms up, and we're testing and we're testing and we're testing. It shows by some point, either the start of next week or the end of next week, SHIB is set to make this possible potential breakout. Now, I'm not saying this is the one where SHIB just moons from here. It's possible, okay? Because we do have the right things playing out in the market. In fact, we have BTC broken out as we speak. Last time BTC did kind of a shallow dip to a double breakout was all the way back here in June. We did something very similar actually back here in April. So we have very similar setups to these points. Now, I will say this, things are a little bit different from what we experienced at those points. Institutional money has bigger bags, right? There's less supply that's available in the market. There's a little bit more positive sentiment flowing around, right? From an economic standpoint, things have calmed down just a little bit. From a geopolitical standpoint, things have calmed down just a little bit. So we have the right things taking place at just the right time. The time where, historically speaking, the market begins to make some moves. In fact, right here, this box, guys, this identifies basically October 1st through October 15th. We're kind of at that point where, historically speaking, we've made some significant moves. All right. Actually, let's take a look here. All right. Well, about that chart. I mean, we are basically doing exactly what we've done every single cycle. Doesn't matter that institutional money is here. Doesn't matter that we've dealt with some negative stuff from again, an economic standpoint, a geopolitical standpoint. Does not matter. The bull market cycle is playing out exactly how it has in the past. Now, what that means for SHIB is that the exciting times are they're right here. They're right ahead of us. Okay. And this is why I've said many times that people need to stop playing games. You need to get your bag set. You need to prepare. And some people just slough it off like, oh yeah, we're going to go down. We're going to dip lower. And then when we don't, they're like, oh, what happened? I thought we were going to dip lower. We're not. All right. And this isn't obviously a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. Perfect formation playing out for Shiba Inu. All right. Perfect cup formation, perfect reversal, removal of supply. People have built their positions. Whales, very tempered in their moves. Not a whole lot of activity going on, mostly to the positive side, right? A couple $100 billion here, a couple $100 billion there. Very slow adding. So retail is now setting the foundation for these moves. That's the important thing. All right. And why I'm pointing, right? I've said that retail needs to build confidence. Retail confidence is now building. You are seeing the retail that's in the space that has been sitting on the sideline that hasn't really been doing a whole lot. They're now re-entering the market, kind of setting the floor for this explosive breakout that is ahead. Now, why this is important for Shiba Inu is when we've had all these things playing out, when you have had the whales build their positions, when you have retail confidence on the climb, when you have this removal of supply from exchanges like we talk about, Shiba Inu again being at an all-time low in terms of available supply on exchanges, it's the perfect table set for this big pop. SHIB's biggest breakout yet in this market cycle, okay? The one that frankly has the potential to try to tackle an all-time high. So be prepared. Big moves are coming. Don't be washed out by articles like this, bunch of trash, right? This says SHIB whales move 3 trillion tokens amid price crash to buy Ethereum's biggest presale. BS. All right. Don't be persuaded by anything negative in the market because it's fugazi, it's not real. People are trying to manipulate you into doing something that is probably going to make you regret it the rest of your life. So that's all I got for you guys. Very exciting thing. Oh, for those that you were curious, we won our first game in the tournament. We lost our second game. My son scored a touchdown in each one. It's about all you could ask for. And we were so close. We were so close to advancing, but he played well. The team played the best they have all season. And there's always next year. But appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Are we about to see this massive breakout in terms of Shiba Inu? Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.